everyone, come on inside. It's Slade on Slade, let's enjoy the ride. Action figure stories, worlds untold, from brand new releases to classics of old. Unbox the legends, hear the tales, heroes, monsters, epic scales. From the shelf to the written page, adventure comes alive on every stage.
Welcome to Slade on Slade. This is my buddy Huxley, who is looking at a bug we've never seen before that's about 1.5 inches long. Today, 1/12 Mondo Skeletor. We are the very first people to either get it, make a video, or just make a video. I do know that I am very excited for this figure. It's nice to be able to be the very first in the YouTube line. Look at that, huh? This is just going to be a quick and dirty video. I'm going to give you a much more intensive video in the next one. This is just so I can hold on to the I am the first, because I don't get to be the first very often. You know what to say, if you're not the first, you're the last. Over here and take a good look at that, mommy. There we go. We got Skeletor. We have the grabber. We have his base, the twin swords, hands, multiple heads, cape, flaming ram staff, regular ram staff. Okay, stay tuned for the very intensive, up close, art shot stuff, blah, 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 all that stuff. Thank you for hitting like and subscribe. Again, this is just a quick and dirty so we can get that. It's not going to bite you. I absolutely promise. Show the viewers what we're looking at. Let me see the camera.
I think that's Skeletor.
Yeah, I have no clue what that is. Let's see. Is it stingy? Is it bitey? Nope, nope, nope. Ah, he's fine. It's fine. Look at that, buddy. See, nothing to be afraid of. Say bye to our friends.
Bye-bye.
Camera recording.
Oh, again, thank you for all the likes and subscribes. As of right now, we are at 486 people. Thank you. Big thank you to Chad and the Chad holes for the bump the other day. I know you're currently doing your mandatory fun time right now, but I had to dip out because #1, baby.
Like, subscribe, don't be late. See you next time on Slade on Slade.